This video will show you one easy and powerful indicator. So, as in this video, as you can see, this indicator will indicate the bull buying signal or long position, and also it indicates a selling position in the indicator. So, let's start. So, first of all, you can open up this indicator in the indicators tab, and the indicator called TradeXO Macro Trend, and we'll go through it by its definition and functionality later. You can just open up this indicator to indicate out in your chart. So basically, as a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. As you can see in this indicator, it indicates out a buy signal, and the trend for a bullish or even a long position will be in green color. When they are in reversal of trend, first you can see they are intersection of two lines. These lines are customized EMA. When the intersection are formed, means that the long-term position or the momentum is weaker compared to the short-term momentum. This means that a short momentum are changed compared to a long term, it shows more effective and a buyer signal. And you can see when it turns from red color, it shows a reversal from bullish to bearish. So for this position, we can plot for our risk reward ratio for our long position. If we are taking for our position, it shows a quite high profitability when we are taking for this position with the risk reward ratio for 6.27, but we can't take for any the highest point for this position, as we can't predict for the chart will form for the next position. So we can just refer to the previous area, and the cut loss point we can just set it to the previous. We can use this to strategize our trading plan and make sure that you have your own trading strategy and indicator to perform for your trading plan. So if you want to customize this indicator, you can just go to the indicators tab and press for settings. At here, you can customize the EMA and also the type of candlestick for data analysis. For example, this data currently using for closed candlestick, and if you want to change for the candlestick, you can just change this position. And also currently for this position for EMA, fast EMA and slow EMA, and also for consolidate EMA, it currently set at 12, 25, 25. So basically you can just adjust it when you are using a shorter time frame to a lower position. And if you are trading for a day candlestick, you can just increase the position for the EMA for fast and also slow EMA. And also you can customize the others indicator, and you can just read it up for the definition later in the details tab. So next we will proceed to how you can open up the details for this indicator. First, you can just go to the three dots and you can just choose about this script. Basically, it will come into this detail for the indicator and the definition. For example, they will write out each of the details that how to use this indicator and the functionality of this indicator. You can go through it in the details tab, and also it shows the features, details, functionality of this indicator. So let's start to have our stimulation. First, I will open up one more indicator to have as our support. So basically, I will use volume profile for our supportive indicator, and it shows the position of this indicator. And next, we'll find a signal to take our position. For example, we'll study out for this position. It shows a reversal and a cross in the indicator EMAs, and also it shows an indicator to signifies the trend turn from bullish into bearish. So for this case, from green to red, we can plan for our short position. For example, at this area, we can plan the position to the nearest support and resistance as in the graph, and also we can plan for the others position as here. So basically, we will take high volume position to act as our support and resistance. So as you can see, currently the risk reward ratio based on previous support and resistance or even volume profile is 0.86. So basically this position, for short position, the reward is lower compared to the risk as the risk reward ratio is less than 1. So basically this position, we won't take our position for this position for a trade. So let's find another position. So for example, for the nearest and the latest, as we can see, it shows a signified bull indicator. And if you want to take our position, we should go for long position and we'll take for the closing. So for our point as a refer, we will take for the previous nearest point, and also we will take for the previous support point. So basically, if we take the initial point for this reversal, it shows a 3.62 risk reward ratio, means that we can make more reward compared to our risk, and this will be a good trade. And make sure that you have your support and resistance plot in the graph so that you can plan for your trade and take for cut loss immediately if there are any wrong reversal form in the chart. So basically this will be a very strong support to the graph, and if it breaks through here, you need to take immediate action to cut loss for your point and plan for another strategy using this indicator. So yeah, basically this is how you can use this strategy to plan for your trade when there are reversal buy and sell signal form. You can use other indicator as a support and also plan for your risk reward ratio. And lastly, you need to know your immediate support and resistance to plan for your trade. So that's all for today's video. Make sure that you backtest your support and resistance and also for your indicator before you try any trial run in trading. Thank you.